Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there this morning? I hope you're having an amazing morning. If you're here for the first time, guys, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Hey, I am back, guys, to answer some questions that I've received, as well as go over the website where they have an FAQ questionnaire there too for the most commonly asked questions. All right, you've seen me talk about Guaranteed Leads IO, next level automated home business success. Finally, one of the best collection of resources created by marketers for marketers who need an endless stream of targeted leads. All right, guys, the link is in the description. Go check it out. Opt into the page. You probably see a page like this. Okay, you probably see a page like this. The link will take you to a page like this. Put in your information. You want to watch this video right here, okay, and read over the website. All right, guys, and jot down your questions if you have any, and I'll be happy to answer those. All right, so this system, I got started with it when it first launched. I received an email from the owner regarding it, so I jumped right on it. The system converts, and you're able to earn $75 commissions over and over and over and over again. It's only $125 one time for this system. This is affiliate marketing, member to member, direct sales. You're going to be paid directly from the person that signs up with you. You can accept payments any way you want. This is your business. There's no middleman here. The company's not going to accept the payments, then give them to you. Okay, so you can accept Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, debit cards, credit cards, however you want to receive your payments, guys. Okay, so the power of now. This is a powerful system where 95% of the work is done for you, and once qualified, you make $75 commissions over and over and over. So what I want to do is I'm going to let you read over this at your leisure, okay? So what we're going to do is I want to go here, and I'm going to, I've got some questions that was asked. So I'm going to read over these, and maybe this will take care of some of the questions you may have as well. And then you can get started, guys. This is instant access. As soon as you make your payment, $75 comes to me. If you sign up with me, $50 goes to the company. As soon as I receive your payment, I'll mark you paid, and you have access to the system. It's already done for you. The only thing we need to do is get your payment processor set up, and I will assist you with onboarding to help you make sure you get that set up correctly. It only takes a few minutes. All right, so let's go over a few of these questions here. Okay, so let's take a look. I'm just going to read over them, and you may be asking yourself some of these same questions. All right, now this system comes with capture pages. Okay, I've shown you guys that before. All right, let's look at a few. Here's one. Hang on. Okay, here's one of the pages right here. At your prospects, you can select whatever pages you want to promote. I'll give you some of my marketing resources to advertise. So here's one of the pages. Once they enter the name, email in, they'll go to the sales page, which is what I was on, right? So, and this system comes with an autoresponder already built in. You don't have to go get a third-party system, any of that. Everything is already built within, right? So, here's a question. How many follow-up emails are in the autoresponder series? Okay. So I took a look at that, and it's about 5 to 6, running about 3 to 5 days. The system is set up for success, is what I was telling the person. This is a text message. And I did find out they asked, could they edit the autoresponder that the company already has? And actually I found out you can. Okay. So they want to know, hey, I edit this autoresponder? Yes, you can. Me personally, I would not, because they already have these set up. Okay. And the copywriting is perfect. So they know what they're doing. So you go in there and change it. It may not convert as well, right? Because you're switching it up. So I personally, I don't touch it. Okay. I wouldn't recommend you touching it. It's already set up. But yes, you can edit that autoresponder. Okay. All right. Do you have to purchase a SMS targeted leads campaign to be able to earn affiliate commissions? Remember, in this system, in the back office, there's a third-party company right here. The targeted leads that they talk about in the picks and shovel, that's optional. Okay, so that's not required for you to purchase to earn commissions. Your commissions is going to be earned on the front end here by promoting this program, where you're earning the $75 commissions. Now you can sign up with the company, this third-party company, become affiliate with them, and when folks purchase their services, they will give you a commission. But that's not required at all either way. You don't have to sign up for that. But yes, if you sign up, that company has nothing to do with guaranteed leads. This is a third-party company. Okay, so do you have to purchase that? No, you don't have to purchase it in order to earn commissions. You're going to sign up with this company, this third-party company. They give you a link, and when folks click your link from the back office, if they decide to buy the service, even if you hadn't, you still will earn commissions. Okay, now let's see what else. The next question: if someone purchased the targeted leads, which is this third-party company, are you automatically set up? No, you have to set that up. There's a step in here that tells you how to do that, again, with that third-party company, so that they can assign you their affiliate link to earn commissions through them. Okay, so there are steps in the system, in the back office, that will walk you through how to do that. All right, guys. Okay, do you have to pay or purchase a campaign first to become an affiliate with that vendor? I just explained that. So no, you do not. Okay, but you need to set up your link with them to become an affiliate, so that you can, if somebody goes in their back office, click that link that's coded to you, you want to make sure you have that. Otherwise, I would imagine it will go to the sponsor if you haven't set yours up. Okay. All right. So we answered that. Now let's look at some questions here on the page. And remember, this page, it does the selling and telling. Okay. Because this is what I saw. When I got started, I didn't speak to anyone. I just looked at this video, watched everything. It made sense to me. Hey, earn $75 commissions over and over by promoting this program. And then the other third-party vendor, that's optional. Okay, that's optional if you want to purchase that service, or if you want to set your link up through that company, that third-party vendor. Okay, but on the front end, you're going to earn the $75 commissions through guaranteed leads by promoting this program. All right, so let's go down, because this is a nice page too, by the way. It converts very well. 125 one time, guys. All right, so let's go down here. The FAQ section is here. All right, let's take a look at this. What exactly is Guaranteed Leads IO? GL. Okay, GL is a collection of some of the best automated lead and communication tools in the home business industry, based on 15 years plus years of full-time experience. Not only can you use these third-party tools to explode any business, but you can also earn affiliate commissions when any of your referrals purchase them from the back office, which is what I just went through talking to you about, right? All right, now let's keep going. How do I make money with Guaranteed Leads IO? GL is an affiliate opportunity. You'll earn $75 instantly on every sale you refer. You'll also earn potentially infinite $75 leveraged overrides from your team via the reverse 1-up comp plan. Lastly, you can earn affiliate commissions from any of the picks and shovels, which is that third-party service in the back office. Okay, picks and shovels, your referrals purchase from the back office. This little $125 one-time fee program has massive earning potential via multiple streams of income. You also can promote your primary business in here as well. Put your link to whatever primary business that you currently have, put that in the back office as well. So when people sign up with you, they can see that and click that link, and that could possibly be another commission. That's why they're saying it's multiple streams of income within this $125 little system. Okay. Next, what's the total cost? Are there any monthly fees? GL cost is one-time fee, which I mentioned, of $125 to access all the info in the members area and resell the GL system. That's it. No monthly fees. However, there are a variety of optional third-party leads and tools available that do cost. That's the third-party stuff in the back office I'm talking about, the picks and shovels. While we recommend taking advantage of these tools to maximize your experience and success, they are not required, guys. Okay, you don't have to sign up for any of those third-party systems in there. Okay, you can just promote this system and earn $75 over and over and over and over. Okay, can you explain the picks and shovels reference? Okay, this is how they explain it. During the California gold rush of 1800s, the people who got riches were not the gold miners themselves, but the vendors that was selling the picks and shovels, the tools. Okay, you need the tools, not the gardeners. In other words, the miners, right? The people that's doing the work, but they need the tools to do the work. So the people that were selling the tools were the ones making the money. That hasn't changed. GL is literally a collection of tool sources to help you promote and automate any business and earn handsomely from any of your referrals who also purchase the same tools and resources to help with their business. Genius, we think so. Okay? I've never had success online and I'm not technical. Can I use this? Yes, that's really the point of GL, to level the playing field of knowledge and to automate and outsource as much as possible to the professionals. GL utilizes mostly done-for-you solutions, so anyone can get results. If you can order a campaign from the back office, you can succeed here. Of course, with consistency, guys. Okay, so they're saying you can use the tools that they give you in the back office, the resources, but again, you've got to be consistent. You know, in other words, let's say you say, well, I want to buy a campaign to have a company to promote for me, right? To send some traffic to my website. You can't just do that one time, right? And then say, well, hey, nothing happened. You have to continually promote your business, okay? That's advertising. That's required with affiliate marketing. Okay, is there any guarantees? Unfortunately, it's illegal for anyone to guarantee sales or any level of success, so there's zero guarantees of performance by GL. You can't guarantee you're going to make sales. You can't sit here and say, hey, you're definitely going to do that. No one knows your work ethics. You've got to put the work in. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products, so you have to take action. Okay, so therefore we ask you to get all questions answered prior to joining, as there are no refunds. Once you pay and access our proprietary intellectual property, however, the name of our system is Guaranteed Leads IO for a reason. We firmly believe you'll receive significant value for your one-time fee, and that you'll discover powerful picks and shovels you probably would have never discovered otherwise. One of our third-party hot offers, for example, does guarantee the accuracy and quality of their leads, and many of us are having great results using them. I actually ordered the service because I wanted to see myself, and I had tons of leads. I got one of the packages. I had over 100 leads come in there, and lots of prospects, folks did sign up, as well as some people are really interested in that, because once they do that service, it's hands off, okay? Because the leads are going to be coming in from that company, and they're going to be sending these people to your link. All right, but again, that's optional. It's not required. All right, so GL is our one-stop shop for promoting multiple income opportunities. GL members can share their affiliate offers and business opportunities to quickly and easily build multiple streams of income using just one system. Okay? So here's the dashboard. Once you log in, guys, make sure you go here. It says welcome video. Watch this welcome video. The Picks and Shovels Center system setup video. And again, once you get set up, we'll have a conversation. I'll make sure we speak so that I can make sure you have your payment processor set up. Other than that, the system is set to go. You're going to decide which capture page you want to promote. And if you don't want to use the third-party services in the back office, I can give you some references of resources of companies that can send traffic to your capture pages. Okay? That's it, guys. Very simple system to set up. If it sounds like something you're interested in, the link is in the description. Again, you're going to see a page like this. Let's see, where is it? Go ahead and opt into the page. Watch the video. Jot down your questions. Let me know if you have any. And if you're ready to get started, just go ahead and do that, because I'll be notified via email that you've signed up. I'll confirm you, because I'll have to confirm you to give you access, and that's instant, and you're in the system. All right, guys? So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And get to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Look forward to working with you guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Be safe out there.